Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. This is my bag. Again. This is my bag. Your turn to read, children. That is my bag. Again. That is my bag. Your turn to read, children. The cat is fat. Again. The cat is fat. Your turn to read, children. My cat can sit. Again. My cat can sit. Your turn to read, children. This is a ball. Again. This is a ball. Your turn to read, children. That is a ball. Again. That is a ball. Your turn to read, children. My dog can run. Again. My dog can run. Your turn to read, children. Pat has a pet. Again. Pat has a pet. Your turn to read, children. Jim has a bat. Again. Jim has a bat. Your turn to read, children. The pan is hot. Again. The pan is hot. Your turn to read, children. The van is big. Again. The van is big. Your turn to read, children. The mug is pink. Again. The mug is pink. Your turn to read, children. Kim saw a rat. Again. Kim saw a rat. Your turn to read, children. The pig is pink. Again. The pig is pink. Your turn to read, children. My dad is mad. Again. My dad is mad. Your turn to read, children. Tom has a bib. Again. Tom has a bib. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. This is my bag. That is my bag. The cat is fat. My cat can sit. This is a ball. That is a ball. My dog can run. Pat has a pet. Jim has a bat. The pan is hot. The van is big. The mug is pink. Kim saw a rat. The pig is pink. My dad is mad. Tom has a bib. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.